Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Poco M3 Pro, and I'll show you how to customize text-to-speech on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll down to the additional settings. Now just go to the languages and input, and here you'll see the text-to-speech section tab there. And as can you see, we got here all the option that we can change. For example, you can pick another language if you want. I'll stay with the English one. With the system language, and here you can also change the speech rate and the pitch. Now, for example, we'll just play that.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
And now we can change this setup. For example, we'll just here swipe the lines.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
And as can you see, we can only just change the speech rate.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
Or also we can just make it more yeah. So, and then if you want to just reset this, just tap here to reset, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.